That is I, the Kawaii Kawaii Anime Girl, coming at you with something cool. I don't know what it is yet, though. My man, the king of tag, the sultan of sass, AmeskeOhj, OJ to everyone else, has sent me a care package, which apparently is also some kind of game, and I figured we'd check it out together. See this? See this thing is bigger than my head. It's bigger than my head, people. But it's really cool. Let's check it out. That's me cutting with the knife and the tape, making those sounds. Kind of excited. I can't wait to see what he sent me. He said it had something to do with 90s kids, which we both are, I think. You know, if you include the time capsule, you know, Empress Child type thing. Or he's 1,000 years old and looks like he's 12. That was not a job. That was just a comment. Because, you know, he has very young. Look. Oh, what is this? Kawaii's personalized care package. Can you see that? I can't tell if you can see that or not. I'm using natural light for this. It says Kawaii's personalized care package, and that's so cool. And then we got all this paper, and more paper, and more paper. Ooh. Kawaii, open first. Oh my goodness. Open first. Card plus Nate plus pen inside. Ooh. It's a Dragon Ball Z card. That's so cool. It's the Black Sidekick. Physical combat. Stop foes' physical attack. Raise card users. Angry level to level 2. That's cool. Oh, nice. It's a Lion King pen. If you don't know, AmeskeOhj is into that Lion King. I like it too. Definitely keeping that. It's very sweet. Okay. To Kawaii. It's all taped up, man. I guess it's a... Where did I put the knife? Where did I put the knife? Where did I put the knife? I need the knife again. Oh well. We'll just have to figure out. Follow, ... Okay, see? This. To Kawaii. To Kawaii. Follow. Hang on. The. Sorry. The. Trail. To Kawaii. Welcome to the trail. Remember to read each note first and read every note. Each envelope will have one. Here's some fun to begin. Let's begin. Very nice. Goodness. Ooh, Zelda keychain. That is so cool. It's Zelda's sword. Well, Link's sword. Dar. Saying it wrong. Batman magnet. You don't know I collect Batman stuff. Super cool. Supernatural pens. Also super cool. I'll have to hide those from my brother. Next pen. Next letter. Hi again, it says. So cool. Another Dragon Ball card. So cool. Energy attack. Forces 3 draws from the deck. Remove from the game after use. Limited 1 card per deck. Next little letter. To Kawaii. I hope it ain't to somebody else. Keep on unfolding. This next item was something from my nostalgia shelf. I picked it out especially sorry, I had to find where I was, for you. Us being 90 kids, you should know these well. Keep it somewhere special. Remember home and in your home, I think. I don't know. To this. This is my turtle dove to you. Huh? Oh, keep digging too. What's this? What's the next item? Ooh. Is this? Oh, nice. Nice. Sorry about the lighting going. I'm using natural light. Also, I have to keep pausing because my kid keeps walking in. I'm sure AmeskeOhj has absolutely innocent package, but I still need to just be safe. Plus, you don't need to be on the channel. Ooh, what was that? Ooh, more Lion King. This one is Simba and his dad. I'm pretty sure. Might be Simba and his daughter. I don't know, but I think it's Simba and his dad. Kauai and the fullest, funniest boy on live cams. That's my son he's referring to in this one.
Mommy?
Fine.
Can I talk to you something?
I can't even do this. Sorry guys, 1 second. Anyway, I got Bulma. This is my Dragon Ball Z card for this one. And I love it. It's very cool. At the end of combat, search your life deck for an ally and place it in play at 6 power stage above 0. And it's got her and Baby Trunks, and that is very cool. And nice, because he's mentioning my son and me on there. Ooh, it's got a cute kitty.
Yay, I love cats.
You're so rude. See, I can't even film, guys. He's so rude. You know what to do. Yep. I'm gonna get on folder. To Kauai and Alex. So you know I had to send something to the funniest kid on live stream. This gift is in hopes little Alex joins the Whovians one day. If not, well, he'll enjoy it just the same. Geronimo! Keep it up. Well, that sounds promising. Ooh, yeah.
Oh, my kitty! Love you, Mommy.
Nice.
What is that, Mom?
That is a sonic screwdriver from Doctor Who. It's another cool sci-fi show that I want you to watch with me one of these days. Enjoy. That's from my friend to you. Woo! Now we're getting somewhere. It's all been awesome. But I see what I'm pretty sure is manga after this. Best surprise under books. Still read first. Oh, awesome. Saiyan Combat. And it's got Vegeta all over this card, which is also awesome.
Mommy,
What?
How about there could be a little puppet assist?
Another very awesome Lion King badge. Later, baby, later. Okay, let mommy look at her stuff, man. Let me look at this cool stuff.
Okay.
Thank you.
Make sure.
Time to read. That's what this one said.
With a lifesaver.
It's not a lifesaver, honey. A lifesaver is what you mean. And it's a sonic screwdriver, my love.
What's
To
a sonic
Kauai.
screwdriver?
We obviously have to watch more Doctor Who around here. If I could get him to sit right. To Hawaii. Have fun with these. I hope you enjoy my #1 manga. And since you like this, ladies, Claymore shall provide. P.S. I hope this was as fun for you as it was to make. I am sadly can't wait. I can't speak. It's not his writing. I can't speak. I certainly can't wait for the unboxing. Love, OJ. Soon to have another name. And his link will be in the description below. And he might be changing it soon, but the link should still work. Either way. Okay.
Make a like, or I'll destroy you with this lightsaber.
Sonic screwdriver. Ooh,
Sonic
nice.
screwdriver.
Again.
Ooh.
Manga. #1.
Mom,
What?
you're about to get a snack later in this.
Claymore 7. Claymore 1. Oh, awesome.
It's not a snack.
Claymore 2. That's so cool, by the way. OJ, you were rocking. Claymore 8. Chill, boo boo.
Here you go, Mommy.
Pocky.
Well, that sponsored by this video.
It is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form.
I just like saying that.
He just likes saying that.
I'll
Claymore 3. Claymore 9.
Claymore 9, what the heck is that?
This manga series that my friend just sent me. That I'm talking to the nice people watching this about.
Sorry, Mom.
Claymore 4. Awesome. OJ, demand. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all might not know this, but OJ is an artist. Check it out.
Oh, she's a complete artist. But that guy looks so dumb.
That's mommy.
I
Plus
did
it's kawaii kawaii.
I
It
did
does
not
not look dumb. It looks
I
cool.
did not know that was you. I thought that was a man.
My son, people. Claymore 10.
Fun City.
Claymore 5. Stop saying stuff that's gonna get me banned off YouTube.
Sorry, Mom.
Claymore 11. And Claymore 6. How cool. That is 11 issues of Claymore. That might be the whole series. I think it might be. I'm not 100% sure. I have time to check it all out. And the first issue of Again, which OJ has talked up, and I cannot wait to read. I'm excited to read everything in this box. I'm excited to play with all these bits and pieces and add the nostalgia to my collections. And fight my son for that cow that he's already grabbing and playing with.
What cow?
That thing's a cow. And
It's a cow?
I love
I
the
know,
art,
yeah.
and OJ is awesome. Thank you, OJ. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and go like and subscribe to OJ's channel. Bye.